Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how we have installed a fish tank at our home. So we had been to a local nearby animal pet shop near our home, and we have bought this tank and some extra accessories like stone, plastic, aquatic plants, and then fish food and medicine. So this tank that we purchased is this inbuilt tank that comes with the filter, lights, oxygen, and then all the features put together. So this tank is, I think, around 10 to 12 liters, and then it was at a higher price of, I think, around 2200 or something. And at this rate in Amazon you will get a 15-liter fish tank, which and hence I felt the local store one was sold to us at a costly rate. This tank is from the company Tayo, the same brand that sells the fish food. So to begin with, we had place the thermocol at the bottom to maintain the temperature of the water, is my understanding from the pet shop owner. Next, we had cleaned the tank completely and then filled in with water, and then next we started filling in the stones. As you can see, these stones did really give a good look and a finishing touch to my fish tank, and we were super excited to install this. We also have to ensure that we are not filling in too much water, just in case. So my husband is here is removing the extra water, and next we will insert these plastic aquatic plants. uh, the beauty about these plants is the movement. I think they are having a cement base or something like that. So the moment you put them in water, they just sit like that and they don't fall off. And these definitely do add beauty to the fish tank. So we had purchased two. I think each one was sold at 40 rupees or something, which is a bit pricey in my opinion. And I feel all these accessories can be easily purchased in Amazon at a decent price. So the last is, now that we have added the stones and the plastic aquatic plants, all the accessories we bought back then, we're going to add in the fish. We're just checking the temperature of the water to ensure, that the water is not too cold and difficult for the fish to adapt. Well, that was just a feeling. I'm not really sure how exactly the fish adjusts to the different water temperatures. So yeah, now we have so now my husband is emptying that fish packet into this fish tank. So we had got these guppies kind of fish. I'm not really well versed with the different breeds we have, but these are easily maintainable kind of fish, and I think a pair of these costed us around 60 rupees. So we got two white, two black, and then two tiger fish. So after switching on the light, this is how beautiful our fish tank looks. We are super excited to have this, and it definitely adds beauty to our home. And here my husband is adding that medicine, blue color liquid medicine that we are supposed to add. So this basically cleans the bacteria from the water, and it's like a medicine fed to the fish. As per the instructions, we are providing this every fortnightly uh, to keep the water clean. And yeah, this is how it looks. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you the current look of our fish tank, because this fish tank was nearly installed 6 to 7 months back, and we have added another toy kind, like a crumbled building, or a crumbled, I think it's a crumbled castle. And it those of you who already have fish at home will know that, all these toys come up with provision where you can add another pipe for giving generating air bubbles like this, and that's the same thing that my husband has done. We've purchased an extra motor to generate this, and my fish really love the bubbles and the building. They love to play and hide behind it, and it's really fun watching them do this. So in my opinion, it's a very decent purchase and a very low maintenance cost pet that you can have. But I would recommend you to only buy this if one of you at home is, willing to take care of it and clean the tank once in a while. So cleaning of this tank is also very easy. Like, you'll have to just replace the water on top with new water, and the filter just throws up all the dirt, and then you can again throw it out. You don't have to empty the whole tank the old style. And yeah, and also you get this filter cloth or paper kind at the top, that you'll have to replace it 3 months once to increase the hygiene factor. So we do feed the fish twice a day with 3 granules for per fish, morning once and night once, and that's it. This definitely adds beauty to our home, and it's very calming to watch the fish play. That's the best part. It calms down our mind. So I'm thinking you liked my video. So if you do like, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.